Hi there, Brock here from Brock Badger Health and Fitness. There's some exciting things happening in this new year. If you choose to be part of the team, you get to use all the cool gear that we get to work out with on a daily basis. Today, we got a new piece of gear and you're gonna help me unbox it. I was gonna say guess what it is, but it's kind of like written there. So yeah, I'm getting a kettlebell, box cutter this with one hand. It's probably not gonna work. All right, I'll be back after a box cutted this off. And as you can see, it is a 28 kilogram kettlebell. I'll chuck the pounds on the screen down the bottom there for you. All right, I'm gonna get out of this foam. Oh, there goes my knife. All right, let me get it out of this foam. Something tells me that styrofoam's gonna go everywhere if I try to do this one-handed. All right, I'll be back. I was totally right, styrofoam's going everywhere. But it looks pretty good. All right. Yeah, there's a nice powder coat finish on it. Look at that. Oh, there goes the other piece of styrofoam. Okay, now I'll pull this sucker out. "28 kilograms. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, 28 kilograms. Alright, so you guys, we get to play with this one. I've got another 16 that a client's borrowing at the moment, and then I've got two 7.5s and two 5s. So not too bad for your PT experience.